Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn logarithms. Already we know that. Before going to this chapter, we recall some basics. If x plus 4 equal to 7, then find the value of x. X minus 2 equal to 9, then find the value of x. 3x equal to 12, then find the value of x. X by 4 equal to 9, then find the value of x. In these four cases, we find the value of x. Here plus 4. Take the right hand side. The positive term will become negative term. That is minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. And second case, x minus 2 equal to 9. Here minus term, take the right hand side, will become positive term. 9 plus 2, 11. In third case, 3x equal to 12. Here 3 is the coefficient of x, and take it the right hand side, it will become the denominator. 12 by 3, 4. 3 ones are 3 fours are. In fourth case, on cross multiplication, we get 9 fours are 36. Here we have exponential form also, that is x square equal to 9. Then find the value of x, or 3 power x equal to 9. Then find the value of x. In this case, we have to find the x value. X equal to, here power 2, here x is called base, here 2 is called power, exponent or index, power, exponent or index. Here x square equal to, we can write 3 square, or x square equal to 3 square whole power 1 by 2. Here we have a to the power of n whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of mn. Therefore 3 square whole power 1 by 2 get cancelled. We get x equal to 3. In this case, here 3 is base, x is power or exponent or index, and n is number, 9 is number. Here we can write easily 3 power x equal to 9, and using logarithms. In this type of questions, we use logarithms to find the x value easily. Therefore, apply the logarithm, that equal to log 9 base 3 equal to x. Here x equal to log, we can write 9 equal to 3 square into 3. Here we use the formula, then we find the value of x. Therefore x equal to 2. X equal to 2. And logarithms chapters introduced by John Napier, a Scotland mathematician. The definition of logarithms is, if a power x equal to n, then power or index or exponent, then x equal to log n base a, where a greater than 0, comma a not equal to 1, comma n greater than 0, and a comma n belongs to R. A comma n belongs to R. Here the base second. Here base a equal to 10. Then logarithms are called common logarithms, and base a equal to e, then logarithms are called natural logarithms. So next point, another point, logarithms to the base 10 are known as common logarithms. Logarithms to the base 10 are known as common logarithms. Then logarithms to the base e are known as natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. Next one, a power x equal to n, then x equal to log n base a. Here this is called exponential form, and this is called logarithmic form. And finally says that exponential form equal to logarithmic form. And finally we can say that exponential form equal to logarithmic form, and we can change easily exponential form to logarithmic form or logarithmic form to exponential form. Logarithms are not defined in negative numbers. Logarithms are defined only positive real numbers. So very important note, logarithms are defined only for positive real numbers. Here we have properties or formulas of logarithms. Suppose we have 2 power 0 equal to 1, 3 power 0 equal to 1, 4 power 0 equal to 1. By the definition of logarithm, we have to convert into logarithm form. Here 2 is base, that is log 1 base 2 equal to 0, and log 1 base 3 equal to 0. Here log 1 base 4 equal to 0. You can write anything on log 1 base 4, 5, 6, etc. We get the value 0. Therefore finally we conclude the formula log 1 base a equal to 0. Log 1 base a equal to 0. And second one, log a base a equal to 1. Log a base a equal to 1. Third one, log x base a. If log x base a equal to log y base b, then or by implies x equal to y. The bases of the logarithm are equal, then x equal to y. And fourth one, log m into n into a equal to log m plus log n base a base a. And fifth one, log m by n base a equal to log m minus log n base a. And next one, log m to the power of n base a equal to n log m base a, and log a to the power of m and b to the power of n equal to log m by n into log a base b. And next one, change of base rule, that equal log m base a equal to log m base b into log b base a. And ninth one, a power log a base m equal to m. And tenth one, e power log e base m equal to m. These are the very important formulas to solve the problems. And let us take first problem or some problems. Find the values of first problem: log 100 base 10, log 16 base 4, log 64 base 2, log 625 base 5, log 125 base 5, log 243 base 3, log 25 base 5, log 27 base 3, log 256 base 4, log 32 base 2, log 8 base 2, log 128 base 8, log 343 base 7. Here we can solve first problem, that is log 100 base 10. Here log 100 can be written as 10 into 10, that is 10 square base 10. Here we have log m to the power of n base a equal to n log m base a. Here n equal to 2, m equal to 10, and apply this formula, we get 2 into log 10 base 10. We have log a base a equal to 1, that equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2 is the answer of the first problem. And next one, fourth one, log 625 base 5. Here 625 can be written as or equal 25 into 25, that equal to 5 square into 5 square, that equal to 5 to the power of 4, that is equal a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. This is the power sum changing, 2 plus 2 4, that equal to log 5 to the power of 4 base 5. Here we can use the formula log m power n base a equal to n log m base a. Here n equal to 4, m equal to 5, that equal to 4 into log 5 base 5. Already we know that log a base a equal to 1, that equal to 4 into 1 equal to 4 is the answer of this problem. And next one, log 343 base 7, log 343 base 7. Log 343 can be written as 7 cube. Here we have the formula log m to the power of n base a equal to n log m, that equal to 3 log 7 base 7, that equal 3 into, we have log a base a equal to 1, that is log 7 base 7 equal to 1, 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is the answer of this problem. The remaining problems are same method except this problem. And you can solve remaining problems. If you have any doubts, post in the group.